Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this Neewer CM5. It's a omnidirectional lavalier microphone, or how do you say it? It's to do it on your clothes and or on your t-shirt. You can put it everywhere. So this is it. There are two microphones in it. This is the box, as you can see it. CM5 from Neewer, 2 pieces. So we are going to open it now. I also want to tell you, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. You only have to subscribe, and when you win something you will get notified, so please do so. It's completely free to subscribe, so please hit the subscribe button. Yeah, and if you like this video, also please like it. So this is some this is just for the liquid in the air, condensation, or how do you call it in English. So that's that. And then here you have the microphones, some card, what's in it, some manual. I'm not sure what it is. It seems to be in English and French, I see. English, French, and then also Spanish and Dutch. So here you have the product itself. Voila, these are the two microphones, as you can see it. Voila, two microphones. I am not sure how long the cable is. I think 1.8 meters. We can check it out if you want. There also is some, this is for the, how do you call it, a windscreen. So yeah, it's to make your audio much better. So we're going to take the cable here, and we are going to see how long it is. I just twist this. So here you see the cable. This is the length. Yeah, it's a little bit more, about a meter, I think. So it's enough to put it here or behind your body on the top. I think it's enough for everybody, for as small as big people. So yeah, voila. And this is a crocodile clamp, or how do you say it? So you can do it like that. So this is the product itself. Yeah, I will test it later to test the audio quality, but I'm not going to do that now. I'm going to make a separate video of this. So also please check out my other videos that I will test this lavalier microphone to check out how it works. So anyway, this is it. Thank you and bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like if you like. Bye.